Well, I didn't get a whole lot done on the Scout today. Actually, I got nothing done on the Scout today. Ended up having a bunch of other stuff to take care of. There she sits still, hanging from the cherry picker. Motor's still on. Oh, I guess I did get the other Scout moved over here, and I did take Ashland's for a short drive around the block and got it parked, so things running pretty good. And I did find a guy today that will build seats. So I found him on Facebook Marketplace down in Arizona somewhere for a fairly reasonable price. So we're going to get some new fabric for the seats. I'm going to start working on the interior of this one, getting some stuff cleaned up on it this weekend. Me and Ashland will probably work on it. And then I got to get some friends over here to help me get that one off the trailer and get it on a cart, get a cart built. Got over to a friend's house and measured and got an idea what he wanted for his bumper for his Tundra. So I got to order the materials for that. And as soon as it gets here, I'll still start building that and kind of show you guys some progress with the Tundra bumper. I got to build a skid plate for that one too. I'm trying to think of what else I got going on today. Oh, I got to call Steve back. He's got some questions that I can help him out on his Desert Does It page. Let's see. Really, that's honestly about it. Oh, I got Microsoft Office downloaded today. That took me a minute because our internet sucks. Had to get that downloaded so I can keep using Excel to build some of my spreadsheets and tracking. I was using Google Sheets, but I'm out of service a lot and I can't do it when I'm out of service. So at least I can't access my old sheets. What else did I get? Oh, I did get my third run in for the year. I got that done today also. That was a good run. I had 750 mile for 2 miles, which is about what I am average most of the time. It kind of hurt. I had to push a little bit harder than I wanted to. My goal is to get back down to like a 6 minute, maybe 6.5 minute mile. Just 1 mile, not all the miles. I can't do more than one at that, but that's the goal for running anyway, is to get down to, I'd like to get my sustainable pace down to around 7 minutes. So it'll take me a little bit of work to get down there, but I'll get that probably by the end of the month, I would say. I did spend an hour or so on the phone talking with friend Eric. Gonna go up there and help him out on their booth and drive their truck up with all their stuff to Oregon for the expo up there. And one other thing going on that I forgot to mention, 2 gates I gotta build. So basically in the next week, I have 2 gates and a bumper I gotta build for some people. And then maybe a ramp and then hopefully another bumper. So I'm actually getting busier than I can kind of keep up with. I just got to get the materials and get all my other random crap done, and then I can get all that stuff going and in the works. I got to have everything done before that last week of this month so I can go to Oregon. So yeah, got a lot of stuff going on, but I'm excited for the future and excited to get working on some stuff and actually get some income coming in. Big news of the day though today is it is my 15-year anniversary. Yes, I said 15 years. So I never thought I'd be able to do anything for 15 years, and I never thought I could find anyone to put up with my crap for 15 years. But thankfully, Hannah has done that. Can't thank her enough for putting up with my shit for that long, because that's a long time to put up with my shit, because there's a lot of it. So yeah, we're going to run out to dinner, go out, get a few drinks somewhere, figure something out there. Really have no plans. It's always hard because our anniversary is in a terrible time of year, right after the holidays and so much going on. So we usually don't do anything too crazy. And then tomorrow I am going to start working on the Scout again and get some stuff cleaned up around the house. And I have a friend that's a financial advisor coming over tomorrow too, to kind of help me get some plans laid out for my retirement. Make sure that I'm going to meet my goals, be able to do what I want to do. And their big motto is basically, build your moat first. You got to protect your assets before you start building your assets, because otherwise there's no point. Maybe I'll do a little bit of a video with him tomorrow and kind of give you guys some pointers on that. Hopefully that'll help some of you guys out with thinking about retirement planning. It's something that's not on a lot of people's minds, and that's why he decided to become a financial planner, is because he saw too many people not have any planning for the future. When he comes over tomorrow, we'll get my plan in place and I'll do a little video on what he's got set up for us and some of the lessons that I've learned. I know a little bit about it, but not near as much as he does. Look forward to that tomorrow. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share the videos if you think anyone can learn anything from this. And then this next weekend, I believe, we're going to do a little bit of R&D over at Joe's shop. So hopefully I'll get a little bit of video there and talk to Joe about that.